Here we are again, back at the beginning of dawn with more construction noise. I actually spent yesterday looking at the plans that they've got published online for the construction that they're doing right now. And if you'll see the telephone pole out there, everything to the left of that telephone pole is not on any of their maps. None of this construction we're looking at is actually supposed to be taking place according to the official construction plans published on their site. All of this is unplanned, one great big concerted effort just to make my life miserable. Everything over there, sure, they had complete plans drawn up to build everything over there. So why do they need all of this? They don't. Four months of unnecessary noise. They're making a rock quarry out here. There's no water pipe being put in. There's a whole damn facility. None of it planned. All of it a last minute, oh hey, we could go dig up this part of the countryside. If I had $1 for every time somebody wished ill on these bastards, to make you hate living here. Nothing that we're looking at is supposed to be here.